When you have apps published, there's a good chance you'll need to make changes in the future. PerfectApps includes a version control feature that enables you to make changes to apps and test those changes without having to take the currently published version offline. I will demonstrate this in this tutorial. We will start with a published app that already has some instances created. Note that the latest version is 1 and that there have already been 3 instances created. Changes are made in design mode. In this example, the change will be a simple additional field for the effective date. Once the change is complete, save it. Notice the warning message confirming that the change will be saved as a new app version. That's to ensure that the existing version, which is still published and available, is not affected. You can also save an app as a new version from the File menu. Close the app. Notice now that the latest version is 1.1, a minor version of the app. You will want to test your changes before publishing the app, and PerfectApps allows you to do this by creating a draft instance of the new minor version of the app. Double-click the app to open the app details page. Click the draft option, and if more than one minor version is available, choose the one that you want to test. Then click the New Instance button. You are offered the choice to redirect all notifications to yourself. Redirection enables you to test the changes to your app without involving the normal app users. However, if you want to try your changes with regular users, select the option to send notifications normally. Then proceed to fill out the app as usual. We'll speed this bit up. Once submitted, the workflow triggers as usual, and notifications are sent based on your previous selection. Press the Publish button once you've tested your app and are happy with the changes. Note the warning message confirming that this will replace the current version. Also note that the latest version increments to version 2. We haven't quite finished because we now have a test instance of the app in the system. It's identified as a draft instance, so we can easily remove it and any other draft or test instances we created to test the changes. To do this, click on the Delete button and choose the option to delete draft instances. You will need to confirm this action. If you click on the Refresh button, you will see that we have now reverted to the original number of instances of the app. The changes you have made to your app will now apply to any new instance of the app, but not to existing instances that were started before the change. Another tutorial will demonstrate how changes can be applied to existing instances.